Hello everyone. Welcome back to another episode of BBB's 5-Minute English. I'm Luis.
And I'm Emmy. It's great to be back. Today, we are going to look up at the sky. We are talking about the weather.
The weather, interesting. You know, Emmy, I actually don't like today's weather. It is raining outside, and I forgot my umbrella. My shoes are wet.
Oh no, poor Luis. I know rain can be annoying. It makes traffic bad, and it makes us wet. But actually, rain is amazing.
Amazing? It's just water falling from the sky. Why is that amazing?
Because that water has a long journey. It travels thousands of kilometers before it hits your head. Today's question is, where does rain come from?
Okay, I am listening. I know rain comes from clouds. But, how does the water get inside the cloud? Does someone put it there?
No, not quite. Laughs, it is all thanks to the sun. Imagine the ocean. It is full of water, right?
Yes, the ocean is huge.
When the sun shines on the ocean, the water gets hot. When water gets very hot, it changes. It turns into a gas. We call this steam or vapor.
Ah, like when I boil water for tea. I see the white steam coming out of the kettle.
Exactly. That is the perfect example. The sun acts like a giant stove. It heats up the ocean, the rivers, and the lakes. Then, the water turns into invisible gas and floats up into the sky.
Okay, so the water goes up. But rain comes down. What happens next?
Good question. As the warm gas goes higher and higher, the air gets colder. When the gas meets the cold air, it turns back into tiny water droplets.
Wait, so it changes from water to gas and back to water?
Yes. And when billions of these tiny water droplets come together, they form a cloud.
Wow. So a cloud is just a big group of floating water drops?
That's right. Now, when the cloud gets too full and too heavy, the air cannot hold it anymore. Gravity pulls the water down. And, splash.
It rains. And my shoes get wet.
Yes. And then, the rain flows into rivers, and the rivers flow back into the ocean. And the cycle starts again. This is called the water cycle.
That is really cool. It's like a circle. The water goes up, forms a cloud, falls down, and goes back to the ocean.
Here's a fun fact for you, Luis. Because it is a cycle, the water on Earth is very, very old. The rain falling today is the same water that dinosaurs drank millions of years ago.
What? Really? I am drinking dinosaur water? That is crazy and a little bit gross.
It's true. Nature recycles everything. We don't get new water. We just use the same water again and again.
I will never look at a glass of water the same way again. But it makes sense. We need to protect our water because it is precious.
Absolutely. Without rain, plants cannot grow. Without plants, we have no food. So, rain gives us life.
Okay. I will stop complaining about my wet shoes. The rain is important.
That's the spirit. Now, let's take a quick break and ask our listeners a question.
Yes. We want to know your opinion about the weather. Question: what is your favorite type of weather? A. Sunny and hot, perfect for the beach. B. Rainy and cozy, good for reading books. C. Snowy and cold, I love winter sports.
Tell us in the comments below. I personally love option B. I like the sound of rain.
I am definitely option A. I need the sun. Alright, Emmy, let's teach our listeners 3 useful words from today's science lesson.
Sure thing. Today's words are cycle, steam, and ocean.
The first word is cycle. It means a series of events that happens again and again in a circle. Example 1, the water cycle never stops. Example 2, I ride my bicycle to work. Wait, that's a different cycle, but easy to remember.
Good one. The second word is steam. It is the hot gas that water turns into. Example 1, be careful, the steam from the pot is very hot. Example 2, the mirror in the bathroom is covered in steam after my shower.
And the last word is ocean. It is the very large body of salt water that covers most of the earth. Example 1, I love swimming in the ocean in summer. Example 2, whales live in the deep ocean.
Perfect. So, next time you see a cloud, remember, it is just a floating bag of water waiting to come down.
And remember to bring your umbrella. Thank you for listening to BBB's 5-Minute English.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple science. See you next time.
Thank you so much for spending your time with me today. I truly appreciate your support. Before you leave, please give this video a like and add it to your favorites. And if you'd like to keep learning together with me, don't forget to subscribe to BBB Learning English. See you in the next video.